ใหญ่ใหญ่ใหญ่ทำไมจริงเหรอโอ้up towards it up yeah down open good oh big one help him 2 3 เฮ้ยโอ้ฮู้ดูดิโอเค push โอเค up yes good good come on again slowly again one more time okay มาแล้ว okay hold it down open okay give me oh niceไม่เยอะนานเหลือเกิน big fight เห็นไหม big one you see when he uses the string that means the fish is big if you don't use I'm sorry up to the left
sorry yeah I say sorry
up okay go push okay slide it down yeah slide yeah push okay good down open okay good help him yeah okay good คุณจะไม่ปวดหลังโอ้โหโอเคฮ่าฮ่า good okay now pull the tail going pull good oh my god look at least 200 meters away
yeah see it ain't clear
big one good ooh big bam yeah big okay again real okay move back move back see this is how we do it this is how we do it you see so the thing float you see help him come how trade go oh the biggest wait 50 60 wait เดี๋ยวก็ตกนะเดี๋ยวwait okay wait เดี๋ยวให้ตกน้ำ
I'll just let him go
no big is a big one มาโฟดูoh yes come yeah oh massive it is 50 to 60 okay push woo yes again โอ้โหหรือเปล่า I think it's a cup oh fuck again okay oh yeah look at the sound music to your ear อันนี้อู้เลย
เมื่อเขาห้ามเคาะครับถ้าเคาะมันยิ่งเข้า
หรอ
เพิ่งรู้เหมือนกันครับ
ไม่ใช่ตั้งแต่ต้นทุกคนก็ใช่ทุกคนสอนตั้งแต่นู้นก็เพื่อใช้ขาด้วยเนี่ยใช่ทุกคนใช้ขามูจุดเลยyes yes good see coming up yeah oh look at that oh yeah good up slowly up okay sorry good one haha yeah yes bring back you see there see oh yeah okay wait fish it's the smallest fish you ever catch ดูดิยังไม่ใช่ใหญ่สวายหรือเปล่าสวายโอ้โหวันนี้กูเอาupวิวโอ้สวายเลยโอ้โหครับbaby cup small cup yeah oh baby bye bye
Oh my god
big one
yeah my will get good one
oh ooh again stop sorry đây big one again yeah no yeah good bam okay good again sorry aduh yeah up okay go down open oh wait oh look at that oh big one the same size look at that oh it's a one yes
เหลือน้อยลง
okay now nice one push
yes nice
okay yes yes bam yes good oh
ชอบงัด
oh up yeah no not too high 45 will do yes 45 okay oh yes 45 okay down yes okay good okay hold it wait be careful okay down open no don't do oh yeah once the fish inside open the bell help him ให้เขาช่วยคุณhelp him no oh Oh, this big
Oh, good size.
size, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Area from America. Okay, push, please. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Good. Yeah. Sorry, leave up. Oh. Careful, the hook will come out. Careful, move over. Yeah, be careful. Yeah.
This way.
Yeah, to the right. Okay, up, bring up. Hold it, move over. Use the water buoyancy. Move back some more. Okay, never mind. Go forward.
Sorry.
All the way. Over here, all the way. Too short distance. Never mind. Okay, again. Move it. Leave up. Move it. Use the water buoyancy. Yes. Okay. Wait. Down. Okay, go. Open. Okay, go help him. I got straight. Yeah. Okay, never mind. It's okay. Go help him. Okay. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, go. Push it down. Push. Head down first. Oh. All the way, Frank. Move it. Wow. Oh, okay. With this. Okay, good. Move backward. See, move it. Okay, wait. Okay, let him do it. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. No. Move backward. Backward. Sorry. Lawang. Up, sorry. Up, sorry. Hold it. Careful. Not so high. Okay, enough. Down. Okay. Hold it. Now. Woo.